Hello everyone, Ash the Train here, and we're back on the railway, and don't worry, this running session's going to go a lot smoother. Now, I don't know if you remember that the middle line lost power, so I did get my dad to sort it out, and really strangely, even I could have sorted it out. Watch this. The Classic 6 now has power for some reason. Ignore the jerk. I really do need to clean the track, but yeah, I've no idea what happened, because usually when something goes wrong, it feels like I usually make things up, but no, I did show you yesterday turning on this control and it didn't work, so anyway. As you can see, there will be no problems with the mailbag collection thing, because I've now got the Bagnall Shunter up and running on the outer line. And yeah, let's just have a nice running session today, really. Because I feel like I should felt like I should promise you a proper running session, so here we go. Let's actually start the Class 66 up with the food train, except the Hornby Duplo Shell lubricating oil wagon. Oops. Yeah, sorry. I need to speed it up a bit so it doesn't jerk there. Let's get the Bagnall Shunter up and running. I was going to say, if anything goes wrong with the Bagnall Shunter, it's not going to be the line, hopefully. Hopefully I haven't jinxed myself. But it should be the fact that the track is dirty. But as you remember last year, as you remember the last video, my dad bought a bit of brush, so hopefully we can attach it onto the cleaner car, can actually go and clean my track properly. There's the Bagnall Shunter running absolutely quiet as a mouse and fairly smoothly. Yeah, apart from the track being a bit jerky, the Bagnall Shunter runs absolutely buttery smooth. Just like I think it was I think it was 2021 I bought the Bagnall Shunter, so yeah. Although it's a bit jerky, it still runs very smoothly. Right, let's run the Yellow Submarine Eurostar. I always like to keep it running at half speed. It seems to be a okay speed on the outer line. There we go. My railway running as it should be. I should really buy some more Coca-Cola wagons, really, for the Bagnall Shunter. Because I know they've got an oil tanker and another box wagon, I believe. One of the things that has changed on my layout is I've moved my Ace RF nearer to the level crossing. I've also moved the full Thames van off of the car transporters. See, I decided to put the Oxford die-cast TTs on there, so all the full Thames vans are now on the actual road. Oh. I also moved the island platform so I could put like a parcel van there, so I suppose you could pretend that the driver gets out of the parcel van, sort of walks across there and then delivers the mailbag, I suppose, but I do like these parcel vans, I must say. There's the Bagnall Shunter again. Oh, there we go. Hope you enjoyed this short running session and proof that my middle line hasn't gone wrong and I don't need to buy a controller. Although, having said that, if this controller had gone, I would have just replaced it with the Yellow Submarine controller, so I suppose it wouldn't be too bad if that controller went. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this this proper running session, and I'll see you later. Bye.